This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 54,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Champion Ford Gulf Freeway is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 12227 Gulf Freeway in Houston.